Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to share how to make really easy and simple Padang omelet recipe. Watch this video until the end so you can make this delicious dish by yourself at home. Okay, let's get started. Please click subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you. First, prepare the ingredients. I have 4 pieces salads, 3 cloves garlics, 2 red chilies, and 9 cayennes. They are flavoring, ginger, pepper, coriander, salt, and sugar. Nah, and this is the main actor, 4 eggs. For making omelette, I use maizena. And this is roasted coconut. I have roasted the coconut without oil before. And then leeks. And the last is oil for frying the omelette. Next, add shallots and garlic. Red chilies and cayenne. Ginger, pepper, and coriander. And the last, oil, but you can use water. Then blend it well. If you want to use red onions or bombay, it's okay ya. Next, break the eggs. Then pour the ingredients into bowl. Then add maizena into the bowl. Add roasted coconut. Then add salt and sugar. The sugar is optional ya. Add flavoring into a bowl. The last is leeks. Then mix it well. If you like this more spicy, you can add more chilies to it. Next, prepare a pan. Heat the oil into a pan. Pour the omelette into a pan. Slide the omelette to cover the pan. Oh yeah, cook the omelette over medium heat. If the back of omelette has been brownish, we can flip the omelette. We can enjoy it with hot rice. It tastes so yummy. It's simple, easy, economic, and yummy recipe. And has similar flavor like in the Padang restaurant, right? can leave your request on the comment section and I will make it for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.